To reduce the spread of the coronavirus, many Europeans simply need to stay at home. We cannot move around, meet and socialize. As a result, people telework and spend much time online. Unfortunately, criminals take advantage of this. They follow us online and exploit our concerns about the coronavirus. Our fear becomes their business opportunity. According to our European Union agencies, the amount of cybercrime in the European Union has increased. And the number of fake medicines, disinfection sprays, or miracle cures sold online is staggering. The medical products most often offered online these days are counterfeit surgical masks. We work with the national governments and the European Union agencies to address this and to keep people safe. Our police cooperation agency, Europol, has supported in the past weeks a global operation against trafficking in counterfeit medicines. As a result of this operation, more than 4.4 million units of illicit pharmaceuticals were seized worldwide. 37 organized crime groups were dismantled. 121 arrests were made. And 2,500 links, websites, social media, online marketplaces, adverts, were taken down. 90 countries took part in the operation. It is important to be prepared. Our European Union agency provides advice about how you can protect yourself. Please check whether websites are really maintained by a trustworthy entity. Do not install applications that promise to track your symptoms or the spread of the virus. Think twice what medicine you buy online and where it comes from. If a vaccine against the coronavirus is developed, your government and public institutions in general will announce it. You will know about it from trustworthy sources. Until then, we will continue working closely with the national governments, with the help of our agencies, to keep counterfeit medicine out of your way.